Hi everyone, I'm Catherine and this is GraCee Designs. Well, it's that time again. Another 100 subscribers. I'm at 600. I want to thank you all so much for subscribing to my channel. GraCee Designs is about a channel of crafts. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. Hit the subscribe button. And I'm going to get started on my shout out for 600 subscribers. My first channel is What a Creation. This channel uses empty bottles and containers to be creative, and cardboard, and even uses tissue boxes to make fairy houses. This channel will make you look at used bottles in a new way. Check out this channel if you love to recycle and create. My next channel is VTV 2020. This channel shows reviews, unboxing, and has a variety of information and is really worth the watch. I particularly like the thumbnails on this channel, which is one of the reasons why I decided to watch this channel. So don't miss it. Check it out. My next channel is The Second Time's a Charm. All I can say is this channel is amazing. You see old furniture become exciting new pieces. It gives thrifting and recycling a new name. HR Craft Embroidery. These amazing tutorials are mesmerizing. This crafter shows unique techniques in working with ribbon, beading, and embroidering. Creative TN. I used to do machine knitting maybe about 10 years ago, and I've just recently gotten back into it and set up those machines, but I did forget a lot, so I went searching and I found this channel. This channel has amazing tutorials to help me relearn the machine, and also shares other crafts like hand knitting and crocheting as well. So the next channel, I decided to just search the word crafts, and sure enough, 5-minute crafts YouTube came up first. Well, it's worthy of 80 million subscribers with 6,000 videos, because who doesn't want to make a craft in under 5 minutes? You should check it out, and check out all these channels, and check out all my other shout out videos, because there's some great channels on those as well. Just take a look. You'll find something I'm sure that you can use and enjoy. Also, thanks for watching GraCee Designs. Please check back for more of my tutorial videos and info. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button, and please share the videos that you think others might want to watch. And also, I would love your comments, see how I'm doing, see what maybe you would like to see. And I'm also looking to do something special for 1,000 subscribers. If you have any ideas, I would love to hear them. So thanks again for watching GraCee Designs. We'll see you next time.